5 useful Wiha pliers for every workshop. We have expanded our product portfolio by additional new types of combination and installation pliers by Wiha. These are highly efficient and durable insulated pliers that are tested at 10 kV AC with a safe non-slip grip. Which ones would suit you? We can work with various tools, and the differences between below average, standard, and high quality are mainly in the details. In the end, details matter when working with hand tools, whether you're a professional or DIYer. Martin Brestovic, product specialist at SOS Electronic, prepared an overview of 5 new professional tools for service and maintenance by Wiha. Professional tools by Wiha. Quality pliers for comfortable, safe, and easier work. Wiha Industrial Electric series of insulated tools is designed for the most demanding daily work, even on energized equipment. With products of this brand, we are used to tool handles being excellently ergonomic and made of very high-quality materials. The metal surface of this series is chrome-plated with a durable layer. The cutting surfaces of the nippers have a shape optimized for cutting with as little effort as possible. Wiha tools are manufactured in accordance with IEC 16900 and DIN ISO 5745. Each tool is individually tested with a voltage of 10 kV AC and is certified to work on equipment up to 1000 volts AC. Overview of new Wiha products in our portfolio. Combination pliers by Wiha. Z05 006 160 26 720 are combination pliers that are 160 mm long. They are also known as needle nose pliers and are excellent for gripping, handling, and cutting cables and wires. Combined pointed pliers type Z05 109 200 35 462 are 200 mm long. They are very similar to the previous pliers, however, their tip is bent by about 40 degrees. They are equally suitable for gripping, handling, and cutting off cables. Cutting nippers by Wiha. Unique Wiha cutting nippers that save working time as well as space in the workbag are the installation pliers from the Tri-Cut Professional series, known as Tri-Cut Z14 1 06 38 552. With a single tool, we can cut the cable, remove its sheath, and strip the individual cores. The bend head allows us to work even in limited space conditions, such as installation boxes in walls and the like. Other pliers by Wiha. Flat pliers type Z07 006 160 26 732 have a length of 160 mm and are mainly intended for handling wires and bending them to a right angle. Moreover, they are also suitable for bending sheet metal. Round pliers that can be found under the name of Z09 006 160 26 735 are long pliers with a round nose, intended mainly for gripping, manipulation, and shaping the wires, for example, into the shape of an eye, as well as for working with sheet metal. We have included all 5 new types of pliers from the manufacturer of premium hand tools for professional use in the industry, Wiha, in our product offer. Choose from our stock selection. We will be happy to provide you with other professional tools for the service and maintenance of equipment upon order in the shortest possible time and under favorable conditions. Are you interested in more information about Wiha products or technical advice when choosing a product? Or do you have another question or request? Please contact us at soselectronic.com. We will be happy to help you.